Hello! We invite you to a special day where Seoul's history and modernity harmoniously come together on our premium private tour. First, we begin our journey at Gyeongbokgung Palace, boasting 600 years of history. Experience the grandeur of Joseon Dynasty's royal city as you stroll through the majestic Junjongjeon Hall and the beautiful Gyeonghoeru Pavilion, feeling the dignity of Korean tradition. At 10 a.m., witness the guard-changing ceremony, a majestic spectacle that feels like stepping back in time to the Joseon royal court. Next, visit the Blue House Cheongwade to explore Seoul's political history, where tradition and modernity blend, and enjoy a relaxing time in the charming alleys of Samcheongdong, lined with traditional hanok houses, stylish galleries, and cozy cafes. For lunch, head to Gwangjang Market. Savor the essence of Korean street food with crispy bindatak mung bean pancakes, addictive made kimbap mini seaweed rice rolls, and spicy tteokbokki stir-fried rice cakes, while soaking in the lively market atmosphere. Then, experience deepest and comfort at a hanok tea house in Insadong with traditional teas and Korean sweets. In the afternoon, enjoy a walk and free time at Uido Hang Park with Seoul's skyline as your backdrop. As the sun sets, delight in a Han River cruise, enjoying stunning sunset views and Seoul's nighttime cityscape. From April to October, you can also enjoy the Banpo Bridge Moonlight Rainbow Fountain Show. Experience an unforgettable day on this premium private tour, where Seoul's history and modernity, art and cuisine, nature and city life beautifully blend.